that long. Right and left, right. Just like that. Seven. 10. 13. 16. Stink, my drill ran out of battery. Whatever am I gonna do? Scratch that, getting a new battery. Come on. Oops, we dripping. And through the magic of cooking shows, look, the one's already done. So why am I using these and not actual wrenches? Because I don't know where they are right now, but I know where these are at. Fun of working in a shop you haven't set up yet. And dot. So there you have it, a drying rack. This is for my wife. She wants it because she doesn't always like to do the dryer for all of her clothes. Now, for my clothes, I do my own. I put them in the dryer, but my wife likes to hang dry them. And so we needed a rack quickly set up so that she could do that. She had a bunch of parameters. She didn't want string. She wanted something 3/4 inch or more. She didn't want to hold things in with clips. There were all these things that she wanted to have her racks. And so we were able to make a set of racks here for her. And I kind of like how they came out. The nice thing is they can actually fold up and go out of the way if we want that. We might end up in the future actually making a whole cabinet based around this, but we'll see. So I like how it came out. Relatively simple, quick, easy project, help us get things going in the house, and I like how it came out. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, or even snide remarks, please put those down below. I do love the snide remarks because they help the channel grow. Anytime you put comments, likes, all that thing down there, really, it helps us, so thank you for that. Even if you don't like what I did, thank you, you're helping me. But really, if you want to go even farther though, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. In between patrons and members, members are people who've clicked the join button down below there. Between those, you guys allow us to happen. Wood by Wright would not exist without you. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about those, you know what to do. I think they'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Now my wife can talk to all of her friends and say, yeah, my husband, he's got a good rack.